Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary excellence with what I confidently proclaim as the best kitchen knife set available. The Cangshan TC Series 17-piece knife block set. Now, if you're serious about your cooking game, you know that having the right tools is essential. And let me tell you, this set from Cangshan doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them in every way possible. Let's talk about the knives themselves. Crafted from fine-grained Swedish Sandvik 14C28N steel. These blades are not only durable but also resistant to stains and boast exceptional edge retention. Plus, with each blade undergoing Cangshan's signature Ultra 6-stage heat treatment, you can trust that they'll maintain their strength and function for years to come. But wait, there's more. This bundle doesn't just stop at knives. Included is a professional 3-stage adjustable knife and scissor sharpener, designed to keep your blades in pristine condition. With built-in angle adjustment ranging from 14 to 24 degrees, you can expertly maintain the cutting edges of both Western and Asian-style knives with ease. Whether you're tackling delicate herbs or slicing through tough meats, this sharpener has got you covered. And let's not forget about the unique ceramic sharpening blade slot, perfect for sharpening those hard-to-reach spots on your kitchen shears. Now, what else sets this set apart? Well, besides the impeccable craftsmanship and top-notch materials, you also get a solid walnut wood block to house each knife perfectly. With a comprehensive selection including a chef's knife, bread knife, santoku knife, and even a steak knife, you'll have everything you need to tackle any culinary challenge. In conclusion, if you're looking to revamp your culinary space and take your cooking to the next level, look no further than the Cangshan TC Series 17-piece knife block set. With unmatched quality, durability, and functionality, it's truly the best kitchen knife set on the market today. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy cooking!